Okay, thank you so much, first of all, everybody who has watched, liked, or commented on the Distin post I did the other day. So thank you. I did promise a tutorial, and here's the thing about tutorials. I enjoy doing them. However, this will just be a quick, I'm just going to show you what the Distin I did for the Distin. So I'm going to just show my screen now. And this is the project. The thing about it is you might think, wow, this that looks quite simple. And it is. I've literally got 1, 2, 3 recordings of myself in the same position. I set up a tripod, this thing here. Yeah, it was just holding my phone on a table, and I've got 3 tracks, and that is it. And I've deleted one of the audios because I had Uncle Me, and I had what do you call it, Introvert Me, and then I had Cockney Me. So they were on the different floors. So all I'll show you here very quickly. If I move this thing, you can see everyone is there. Now I'm going to remove Cockney Me. And you can see, hey, he's gone. I'm going to remove Introvert Me, and you can see he's gone. Now if I move Uncle Me, Uncle, you can see everything is now gone. Now what you can see is I'm not maxing. I'm not using max. I'm just using the simple crop tool. We can go deep and look at the max, use the max tool and max out the place and everything. But I'm just using the crop tool now. And when we see Introvert Me, you can see he only has a small section. And when you see the Cockney Me, you can see it only has small section. So I'm going to show you the Introvert Me. Hey, and I'll show you the Uncle Me. And that's it. Quite simply, that is it. And I'll just insert some text here for this one. And yeah, I like it. The main thing about this type of shot is your framing. Make sure that you're framing you're acting so that you are acting within a specific place. Now, if you watch closely, you can see I'm very careful not to move into the zone of the other person. And that's where the crop tool won't work. You will need to use a mask tool to mask it, and just gets very, very complex if you do it frame by frame, etc. So that is a very quick and fast way to duplicate yourself, have a conversation with yourself. Is really all about the timing. I made it up as I went along. I had no clue. I thought, let me just get a jacket, let me get a different jacket, let me get a hat, let me get my other pair of glasses, and that was it. Literally spur of the moment. I didn't actually know what I would say. I just said, I'm gonna sit here in the corner, Cockney Me, and just wait a few seconds. And that was the same amount of seconds I thought I would say the other line for. So yeah, I made it up. I'm sure you could do a lot better than this, but that was it. Very, very quick, very, very simple. Look at that. Look how simple that is. It's like three layers of footage. It's absolute, it's madness, isn't it? But you come at something like this, it's amazing. I will probably, for my own personal indulgence, just do like a version with green screen and just kind of go a bit crazy and show you what else can be done in terms of these things. In fact, I might even go to After Effects. I'm going to do some rotor brush tracing in After Effects. That should be good. So yeah, that was the raw tutorial. Very raw, very raw. So yes, that was it. That was the kind of short, long, quick, raw tutorial. It wasn't even like the tutorials I usually do, but hopefully you get the gist. Very, very simple, very quick. Do it. Go ahead and do it. Show me what you can make. If you want any more in-depth tutorials from me, and more in-depth, one-to-one, go ahead, go to my website and you can book a session with me, and I'll be happy to talk you through some of, even this, if this wasn't easy for you, which it may not be. And if you don't know how to add the crop tool and how to use it, I can help you. I can help you replicate this and get you on your way creating. So, yes, connect with me and I will sort you out. Okay, take care. God bless you all. Thank you for liking my content, and I hope you've enjoyed this one. Take care.
Click.